Hello from Taj Murder Medics. I've got a Toyota Prius here on a 2013 plate. It's a Jap import. Just doing the rear number plate light on these. Now the one I'm doing is right there. Both are not working. As you can see, the position lamp is on, but the number plate isn't working. I'm going to show you how to replace it. To do it, it is quite a simple procedure. All you got to do, if you get in the back of the car, you got a cover here and a cover here. So what I need for that one, I need a flat screwdriver. So if I slot the cover, there's a gap here where you can put a screwdriver in, and that's it, the whole thing comes out. Now that's the bulb holder for this one here, and then do the same thing on the other side. You have got, nearly scratched that one there, but I'm glad I didn't. If you just slot a screwdriver in, 1 second, I'm just going to get a second pair of hands. If you just come in 1 second, Sabay. Now that I've got a second pair of hands, what I need to now do is, so if I slot a screwdriver in there and then pull the whole thing out, that's it. Same thing again on the inside, you've got the bulb holder right there. So what you do, you twist the bulb holder to the left, pull the whole thing out, and on this side it's exactly the same. Twist the bulb holder to the left and then take the whole thing out. Now the bulb that you need for this one, it is a 501 bulb. As you can see right there, you can find that in the description where to get it from as well. There'll be a link. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to replace this one first. So this is just a simple job. You pull the bulb out and then you slot the new one in. So there's only one way the bulb would go as well. So you slot the bulb in, and then I'll get the other one. Same thing again, pull the bulb out. Just be careful when you're pulling them out as well, they can break in your hands, so you got to be very careful. Now the only way to slot the bulb in, you can see the locator for the pin. So if I slot it in and then pull that to twist it to my right. So once I've lined it up, so I can't line it up, wow. Okay, so it's like this. That's a bit weird. There we go. That's it. That's clicked in. Do the same on this side as well. I slot it in, line it up, and then turn that to my right. I then put the cover on. The cover would only go one way, so this bit here would go on the bottom. Slot in, and that's it. Push in, and then the same thing on this side as well. Slot it in. That's all you have to do. I'm just going to check the lights, make sure the lights are working. That's it, they're both working. Right, now that you can see they're both working, that's all you have to do on this particular model. If there is anything else you need to know, there is a playlist for Toyota. Do check it out. There's a playlist for bulbs as well. Do check that out as well. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like the video. Thank you and goodbye.